Hey guys, what's up? Emmanuel Simon Sakala right here. Today I'm going to take you through a simple lesson of Svovi, Yangu, which is a song by the late Oliver Tuku Mutukudzi. The song is sung in the key of E major. So the chords that we're going to be playing, we're going to be transposing them by a capo to fret number 4. And we're going to be playing G, E minor, A minor, F, C, and G, A minor, F, like that. So I hope that I'll be able to do justice to song legend. I won't do nemo, but I'll just do as close as I can get to the original sound. So we're going to split it into 3 parts. First part is the intro, then we have the verse and the body, and we have the bridge and the chorus, and did 3 parts like that. So the intro sounds something like this. Simple like that. So what's simply happening here is obviously manosa to play a major scale yani ya E major. So then tobeptanga tapeza ro tunos zokutanga. This is more like a shape of C and D. Kuna E minor, then she bata A minor we do, then Arpeggios kanobva kuzasi. Simple like that, and here you go. Right, and then the body which goes to the bridge, or maybe the body which is part of the verses, sounds like this. So what's simply happening here, like I said before, Kuridza chords, A minor, then G, then E minor, then A minor. So my songs are about really easy is to be able to master your right hand Arpeggios, and it because Rushanda Paka one, and then the last part is just simple chords, which is F, so that's F to C to G, then to A minor. So to just put them together in place, usually when you're coming from the verse, nasi uno iwewe adorembera pauri wazatisa upenyu wangu wanga uri gasha makore 40 anoraudzira ndichitsvaga chimiro wazadzisa upenyu hwangu wanga uri gasva kungonzwa tamarana vanorova bembera pandinonetseka ndiwe wega uripo pese pandinosuwa vanorova bembera kuzoti murova ndiwe wega uripo ndiwe mbabvu yangu ndiwe svovi yangu ndiwe mumwe wangu ndiwe wega uripo. So basically those are the chords and that's how it goes. Of course, might not be exactly how he plays it, but then it's something close to it. So I hope that you learned something. If you like what you just saw, please subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you so much.